guys, girl ThatsKeAndra, and I'm back with another video. And this video is sponsored by TOYOTRESS Hair, and they sent me their Tiana Passion Braid box braids in 18-inch. They are already pre-braided. Lord, I can't talk. They're already pre-braided, and they are this wavy texture. And you get 8 packs, and each pack has 12 strands. So altogether, I have about 96 strands. Of course, you get a crochet hook and some little jewelry. Now I use the same braid pattern that I always do for these crochet styles. I do the boxes in the front and then just regular cornrows in the back. So yeah, so right now I'm just installing it. It was super duper easy, a super duper fast install. I think this only took me about 30 minutes. I was watching the Umbrella Academy, and yeah, as you can see, it's going by super duper fast. And yeah, I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys watch. And if I have anything else to say, then I'll come back. Okay, so right here I'm halfway done, so I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. It was super duper full, no issues whatsoever, and I was starting to feel myself. I actually kind of really liked it, and yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know this is what it looks like when I am halfway done.
OG.
Hey guys, so I just want to come and give a little outro to this video. These braids are actually super duper cute. Like, I didn't think they were going to be this cute, but they actually are. I love TOYOTRESS products. I do have on a shirt, I promise. I love TOYOTRESS products and I always love working with them. But yeah, they're very easy to install. I only use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Yeah, 5, 6 packs. So I have 2 left. They're very easy to install, as you guys saw, and they look pretty good. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I have the link to the hair in the description box below. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.